I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is hop up on the table at the meeting. No greeting. Skip the line. Skip the dishes, bitch. I'm eating. I'm speeding. Do my business plan like reading. You ain't got what I want, then I'm leaving. I wanna reach and some benefits. Put a lazy boy chair, kick my feet up, Betty in the vid. I've been nice at rapping since Nintendo, Vito, Genesis, and Lobby. You should have me as a model of a resident.
I ain't done. Done. I ain't done. Done. I ain't done. Done. I ain't done. Done.
I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is New York Fashion Week, strutting on the catwalk. I ain't trust a single motherfucker who can fast talk. Except me, I'm a G. Once I blast off, a massage let me argue with the wax off. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour base, we don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride, listen more to make do. We can do it live, I ain't need to take two, no.
I ain't done. Done. I ain't done. Done. I ain't done. 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 I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is
Good evening. Welcome to the Art of Crypto. I'm JR. How's the tune skis? It seems super quiet. Oh well, hopefully it's good. Camsta! Let's go, baby! Let's go. Short Soul. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Trying to short Soul. Didn't it just drop a bunch? Okay, let's do it. I'm in. I'm already in a short Soul. Let's do it. I'm always in a short Soul, you guys. Welcome, Camsta. T.I. Joe, the man, the myth, the legend. Welcome, T.I. Joe. Thanks for showing up and showing out for the Ninja Gang. First and foremost. Through the door. We're just back testing. These orbs in Piper Academy today. Piper Academy, friend of channel, link in the description. Click. It's only $5 for their Discord. Super cheap, super high value for not much money. Because he's retired and he's balling on a budget and he's not trying to get rich off us. So it's a good deal. So yeah, check that out. Piper Academy. I was in there all day today. Trading, testing, chilling. It was fun. Oh, of course. Position's about to go in profit while I'm live. My Solana long Camsta. But anyways, so we're testing the orb. I'm still in a short though. It's just not doing as good as the long. But so we were testing the orb. We took 5% in stop losses and 27.5-ish% in wins. But I also underestimated the wins. This is a 1 to 3.65. I wrote down 2%. This is a 1 to 8. I wrote down 4%, assuming some human error and taking partial profits along the way, which would cut down the RR. So it's a realistic RR, and it's I even added stops that I probably wouldn't have taken, but a new person probably would have, like new to orb anyways. So I just wrote them all down. So yeah, 5%, 5 stops, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, a bunch of wins, and that was 22.5% account growth over the course of 19th, 6th, 2 or 3 weeks. 22% account growth. Just trading, taking one trade, New York, partials along the way, blah blah blah, to the next day. And so that worked out great. That was great. And then the short, the Solana short that we dropped live on Monday, printed hard throughout the week. And the scalp long printed hard as well. Let's check out the scalp long here, you guys. I'm pretty proud of this. I'm not gonna lie. So I scalped this long, of course, and then I scalped this long too. But the part I'm proud of is that it followed the path. It followed the path, you guys. Look at that. I'm improving, you guys. I'm getting better. With you, we're getting better. Join the Ninja Gang. Yo, Crypto Squad. Jesse, good luck. Al Jr., ladies and gentlemen. Camsta, T.I. Joe, Al Jr., Jesse, good luck. Jesse, you forgot to show me how to say your last name, bro. Washburn, my hometown homie. Bro, it's a good day. I was live in Piper Academy all day, Discord, testing, chilling, trading. Did a one-on-one. It was a good seshki. Printed. Grew my account 1.5% today. And so far. And chilled with Degen, Jesse, had some laughs in there. Melissa, One Love, good vibes always. Good evening, Melissa, One Love. Thanks for showing up for the Ninja Gang. Appreciate you. I do appreciate you though. And Crypto Squid, I appreciate you too, sir. Feel free to drop more educational stuff in your section too in the Discord, Squid. I look forward to it. I'm waiting with bated breath. I just want to be a baby squid. I always want to be a ninja, baby ninja squid. Baby ninja squid, baby ninja squid. Oh yeah, we got new roles in the Discord too. We got a scalper role for scalping. It's called ninja role for scalping, and we got a samurai role for intraday, day trading kind of. Day, maybe a little swingy swing, but not much, just a little swingy swing. And then we got Tai Chi Master for super swings and long-term investors. You can click one if you just want to focus on one and master that. Or you can click all three and show up when we tag any of them to learn about scalping, day trading, or swing trading and investing. So yeah, shout out to new roles in the Discord. Clearly I'm a ninja and a samurai and a Tai Chi master. But that's just me. I love this shit. So anyways, hit my entry zone. Beautiful path. Hit my entry zone. Deviated a bit. But still, we're there, baby. We're there. So that's good. But it could just be bear flagging for a rollover to hit my second entry zone, which is probably a good chance of it. Probably a pretty good chance of that. But whatever. I'm happy with the scalp long. Scalp long's working out. I don't care if it goes the distance, but it could. But I'm not psychic, so I don't know. And yeah. That's why I always take profit at 1-to-1, raise, stop loss, cut it in half or raise it 2 entry or just above entry, and then I take profit at 1-to-2, 1-to-3, and let the rest ride. And yeah, so I'm already in profit, it's all good. And if we go here, that's all good too, because I still got the short, and the short will print eventually. But I trade differently, so yeah. A little bit different, not that much different. Because I'm in stop loss gang now, if you guys haven't noticed. It's going pretty good. I took one stop here, trying to enter a little early, which is fine. That's normal. Wix Wipe 589, Boogie Down Productions. I gotta get some emojis. I gotta get some emojis in the chat for all the beautiful people. Thanks to each and every one of you. I appreciate all 11 viewers. Thanks for showing up for the Ninja Gang. Do we have a divergence on the likes? 3 likes, you guys? Seriously? I like you guys. I don't know. It's okay if you don't like this. Steve Hickey, Crypto Squid. Steve Hickey, bro. Aw, thanks, Steve. Okay, let's catch up on the Mojers. T.I. Joe. L Junior, I think. We be blazing, muchachos. Washburn, you're blazing. I know you are. Camster the hamster. T.I. Joe, Camster the hamster. I gotta drop some hamsters for Camster. I'm a geek like that. Sorry if it bothers you. I don't mean any harm by it. And then, of course, I gotta get Boogie Down Productions in with Wix by Fine 89. Jesse, good luck, baby. 4-leaf clover. Let's go. The luckiest guy in possibly the world. Possibly the world. Spreading luck throughout the land and good vibes. Shout out to you, Jesse. I appreciate you. Thanks for showing up and showing up for the Ninja Gang and being a valued member of the Art of Crypto. Epic legend. Camps to the hamster. Melissa, one love. DJen, good vibes always. Good vibes always. Where's my manifest emojis? Sparkle. Sparkle, baby. Let's go. Good vibes always. Oh, Cali Trader, what up, bro? Nice to see you again, brother. Glad you can make it. DGen horns, DGen emojis for D-Generation X. Let's go. Let's see what else we got going on here. Camps to the hamster. Oh, Washburn. Sorry, Washburn. I gotta drop some Washburn emojis. Washy, washy. I drop them all because it's funny. Well, Washburn, let's go. Cali Trader, how's Cali, bro? Oh, Crypto Squad, baby. Crypto Squad. I dropped some squids in the chat for Crypto Squad. Crypto Squid, your favorite and mine. Sometimes all you need is a Crypto Squid in your life. Join the free Discord, link in the description, and welcome to the Art of Crypto. I do appreciate you and your presence.
Welcome to the Chinatown.
Yeah. Join the Discord, free Discord, link in the description. Come peruse the educational resource section. Join the voice chat. Ask some questions. Teach us some stuff. We'll teach you some stuff. We got lots of juicy gems. And of course,
ancient Chinese secret, huh?
Ancient Chinese secrets. So, let's get into the market. Sorry for yelling, you guys. I get excited sometimes. So, I want this to go down, so we'll pump. Sorry, Camster, about your short. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right. It just means it's what I'm looking for. So, I'm looking for some upside at this point. Yeah. Check out. Bitty. Hovering above my entry, yeah, piece of garbage. Stop playing hardball, you piece of garbage. Check out the 4-hour. Sometimes all you need is a CHARTPRIME primed RSI free indicator. Sometimes that's all a guy needs. That's all a guy needs. Anyways, so ring Redski short printed pretty hard. I would have got in the short at this high, or this high, somewhere in there. And I would definitely be being careful or trailing in profit right now, because I'm expecting a bearish retrace. Maybe more. It could be more. It might not be a bearish retrace. I don't want to take everyone's hopes and dreams away. But something like that. I like that idea. Seems like a good idea. I guess for Solana it'd be like this. And these are just, I'm just a ninja chilling in an igloo in Canada, guessing around and pushing buttons with you guys. So don't take it as gospel. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. That's what I'm looking for. Let's check out the markets. Sorry about the flashbang, but it's definitely happening. Or is it? It is. Flashbang. Refresh. Red folders, juicy red folders, you guys. We got some Australian red folders coming out in 15 minutes. 15 minutes employment change, unemployment rate, then tentative. I think that's when whenever they feel like it, or whenever the government clocks. They have these government nipple clocks. It's like tentative. I don't know. I forget how I say it, but I say it like that. Then we got BOG policy rate. Tentative. I don't know. Anyways, clock nipples. Monetary policy statement and BOJ press conference. Sorry. So yeah, 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. And we'll go over the markets and try to keep track of the time. Thanks for showing up. I'm gonna check the chat, make sure I didn't miss anybody. Any more than I missed you guys since this morning. Duh. Oh, sorry, Steve Hickey. I forgot about the hockey sticks. Donato Cabrera. Shout out to you, Donato Cabrera. Thanks for showing up and showing up for the Ninja Gang. The epic valued member of the Ninja Gang. Hard-working man with a hard-working plan. Shout out to you, Donato. Where's my hockey sticks for Stephen Hickey? Stephen hockey stick emojis, baby. Come here. Come here, you little rascal. Yeah, bro. I've done 100 streams where I'm like, sunglasses or cover your eyes and stuff. That's how it goes, bro. That's how it goes. It's important shit, those red folders, eh? But anyway, so very bullish 16%, bullish 34%, neutral 21%, very bearish 14%, bearish 14%, ooh, 14, 14, 28, let's go. That's just sentiment. People voted on how they're feeling. So bulls winning, neutral's getting bigger, bearish getting smaller, but that can change. Check out the 24-hour. Gracias. Mucho gracias. I don't know how to speak that stuff, but I'm sure you guys will teach me eventually.
Maybe I won't return, maybe I will, like Tom Brady, take another turn. Contusions, bumps and bruises, how I'm supposed to learn. Never been the champ, been through hell and back like Tony Fern.
What do you mean takes off? I already gave my guess, bro. The odds are the same as any other day, bro. I don't know what the odds are, bro. I'm not a professional gambler. I'm a trader. It could go up or it could go down, but I know how to trade, so I don't care if it goes up or down. No matter what, I'm printing. Because I trade. I don't gamble. But, I used to. On accident. I hate gambling. I don't know. It's pretty good probability. It's what market structure does often, but it doesn't have to. We could go like this, too. It's like 50-50, bro. I'm not the market maker, bro. We could just go like this. I just expect it to jog up. That's all. I don't know. I'm allowed to be wrong, eh? And usually if I'm wrong, I'm just a little bit wrong. So it's okay. Like, it's tradable. Because I don't do high leverage and I don't do big size. But if I had to put an odd on it. Let me see. I'll check again. Meow. No, I'll check. I think the odds are like 70, 60%. 60, 70. 60. It's just a bearish retrace, bro. Join the Discord. Hit me up for a one-on-one. Yeah, the odds are pretty good. But anything can happen always, bro. Like, the odds are pretty good this morning that we were going to keep ranging, but we dumped. So, I don't know. No, I've been prioritizing short for a long time, actually. But so it just, I don't know when it's going to, it's like, I can guess that it's going to go down, but I don't know when. See how I was off here, bro? Like, so, like, if someone who didn't know how to traded it, they would have been like, it went up, it didn't go down. But if they waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours, it would have went down. So it's like the odds are good. I just don't know. I'm not psychic, so I don't know the exact minute that it's going to happen. But it will happen. Like, not definitely, but a high probability. Like, it should happen. Just like how I dropped this short here and I expected it to go down here and then it didn't do it immediately, but it did happen eventually, right? It's like, you just have to be kind of right. You don't have to be super right, bro. It's not a psychic game. It's not a... Yeah. But, like, it's pretty good odds, bro. Pretty good odds, in my opinion. But I could be wrong. Like, I'm a human too, right? Like, I'm not a psychic human. I'm a human. And even if I think the odds, I used to do high conviction. I'll tell you a story. Story time. Shout out to T.I. Joe, story time. And welcome TMB Willis. Otter gang, 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 bro. Drop some otters in the chat for the Otter gang, 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 gang. Appreciate the Otter gang. Shout out to the Otter gang. Also, happy birthday again. Probably for the 8th time today, but I love him like that. So, happy birthday again to Alexo Crypto. Okay, so here's the story, bro. I used to have high conviction setups, okay? But whenever I had high conviction setups, bro, do you know what I noticed? That's exactly when the market would F me and go the opposite way. And then whenever I had low conviction setups where I'm like, I'm not too sure about this, but I feel like it could go that way, then it would go that way. So I don't believe in high conviction. I don't believe in probabilities. I believe in every trade has the same chance, 50-50, and I prepare for both case scenarios so that I don't cry. Because I've done that a bunch in the first 5,000 hours of trading. And it sucked. So I don't do it anymore. So I'm just trying to help. I don't want to get people wrecked. I don't want it to be like, oh, it's a 80% or 70, you know, like, because then people will be like, ooh, I'm going to use more leverage than JR. I'm going to use bigger size than JR. I'm going to tighten my stop loss because of my bigger size and leverage. I don't want to lose the same amount that JR is willing to lose. So I'm going to tighten it. And all of a sudden, it's not my idea anymore. It's someone else's idea and a weird morphed version of my idea. And it goes totally wrong because nobody listens to nobody ever. So, unless it's what they want to hear. Then they listen. But if it's just realistic, they're like, I'll ignore that, and oh, I like that, and I like that. And then they run with it, and then they get wrecked, and they're like, hey, you're a bad trade mentor. And I'm not a bad trade mentor. So I won't say that shit to you, and I won't advise it. So be careful, bro. Be careful. Only risk 0.25 to 1% per stop loss so that the probabilities have time to play out for you. You know what I mean, Jellybean? I care about you, Camsta. That's what I'm trying to say. I give a fuck, bro. I genuinely give a fuck for free. Because I'm a decent dude. And I care. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm just trying to explain it the best I can. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to sound like I know it all. Because I don't. I'm wrong every day. That's why I don't want to tell you it's a high conviction. Because I'm wrong every day. And that's okay. You don't have to be right all the time to be a good trader. You have to realize you're not going to be right all the time to be a good trader. But I feel good about it. I don't know. I wouldn't put it on the chart live in front of public eyes if I didn't feel pretty okay-ish about it. But I'm cool if I'm wrong too. I'm cool if I'm wrong. But yeah, so if it hits your stop and it looks like it's gonna tank and it's making lower high and it's tanking, just flip short and earn back your stop. And definitely don't try to turn your whole account into another whole account. Don't try to turn $5 into $10. Try to get not a loss. Try to get $5. Try to get like 50 cents on $5. 100 times. Try to get $1 on $5. 100 times, because then it adds up. And then all of a sudden your $5 position turns into a $10 position because you've compounded your account safely and didn't lose it all. I wish someone told me this shit when I started, man. I lost a lot, bro. I lost a lot. I just don't want you guys to lose, bro. So anyways, that's what I'm looking for. That's my guess. And my conviction is pretty high, I guess. But it always is. Like, I always believe in myself, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to be wrong. That could definitely happen. But yeah, that's my guess. Let's check out the markets anyways. Back to the markets. So, 24 hour, $38.35 billion in short volume. $36.49 billion in long volume. Shorts are winning on the 24. Skipping 12 because I don't with 12. $3.16 billion on the 4 hour in short volume. $3.37 billion in long volume on the 4 hour. So the longs are winning on the 4 still. Sus. And then $671.66 million in short volume, $708.79 million in long volume. That's on the 1 hour. Longs winning on the 1, longs winning on the 4, shorts winning on the 24. Let's check out the bars. Should be the same as up there, but down there. Or up here, but down there. And shout out to volume, of course.
I'm gonna come.
You already know. You already know. Yeah, I can. Hit me up for a one-on-one. I'm not giving away 8,000 hours and $10,000 or $15,000 of pain and suffering and my heart and soul, and back-tested, forward testing, and 12 to 14, sometimes 16 hours a day of studying and trading and scouring the earth for alpha for fuck all. Hit me up for a one-on-one. I've explained plenty. I show enough free shit for people to make money every day, twice a day here. If you want more, hit me up for one-on-one. I can only be this much of a slave, not this much. I'll be this much of a slave to be nice, but not this much, okay? Hit me up for a one-on-one, I'll explain all of it. So, in the past 24 hours, shorts winning, just like up there but down here. Any outliers? 56% on CoinEx. I just finished explaining it for 2 hours in a one-on-one, bro. I don't have 2 hours. I only have an hour on YouTube. If you go to work for free for me, I'll go to work for free for you, bro. So anyways, more longs than shorts. On the 4 hour, we have an outlier, Bitunix, 63.66% short. Cause I know how to trade, that's why I'm good, bro. Same, I make the same, bro. Same both ways all the time. Same both ways all the time. No, I don't want anything. People don't click the ref links. People show up randomly and try to get a lot out of me for nothing. Nope, no fries. I'm not asking for shit. And my one-on-ones are cheaper than you probably get paid at work to do dumb shit. So it's a good deal. I get paid the same to fucking move hot tubs like a dumb monkey as I do to transfer all the fucking knowledge and experience and pain and suffering to people, bro. It's a pretty good deal, bro. But if you don't have $50, I understand. And join the Discord. Chill in the Discord. There's lots of free alpha in the Discord. All it takes is if you have like an hour or two, you could just check the educational section and put in some effort and study it. And it's all there for free. And if you have $50, I'll shortcut you to it. It's a pretty good deal. It's pretty fair. And if it's not fair or it's too much, just don't do it. I ain't begging. I don't need it. I like my hours to myself too. So if no one hits me up for a one-on-one, I'll give myself a one-on-one and go do something fun. But yeah, I'm there if you need me, bro. Sorry for like tripping. It's just I give a lot, bro. I don't know if you realize it or what, but I give a lot. So anyways, more long shorts, blah blah blah, 1 hour, blah blah blah. Outlier, Bitunix, shady, shady exchange, blah 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 blah. What do they know? What do they know? I don't know. We're gonna find out. When we find out, there's a good chance they might end up where they belong.
Because you'd be in jail.
Yeah, bro, I got you, bro. I actually wanted to talk to you too about stuff for free. Like I actually wanted to talk to you about some shit. I was just too tired the other night. But yeah. So I can kind of explain it, I guess. I have a long and a short 24/7 for my entire life, no matter what one of them prints. I have a custom strategy that I developed, only listening to myself and nobody else, because they all give you advice that goes against what I do, and it works for me. Hit me up. It was really hard to figure out. I'm proud. I did one thing right. For once. But yeah, no, hit me up, bro. It's called hedging, bro. Cam, bro. Hit me up, bro. I can show you some crazy shit, man. Past 24 hours, we had $456.34 million wrecked from the market. Out of those buckses, $383.34 million were longs and $73 million were shorts. 137, holy shit, 137,187 traders were liquidated from the market in the past 24 hours. The largest single licky happened on Aster. It was an ETH trade valued at $17.97 million, you guys. What the fuck? What the fuck? $17.97 million. Hopefully, he's not too bad under the water.
I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Tokyo Drift, I like it, I like it. Yeah, bro. Whenever you have free time, let me know. And I don't mind helping for free a bit, but I can't give it all away for free. That wouldn't be fair for me. It was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life to just give it away. Did you, Shep? There he is. There he is. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna come.
Shep came. There's a button for that too, I think. Jesse's favorite button, actually.
Are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast?
Why are you coming fast, Shep? Why are you coming fast? $19.7 million. So yeah, hopefully he's not too bad under the water. And hopefully he's proper risk management, only risking 0.25 to 1% per stop loss, or 2 to 4% on an A+++++ setup. Otherwise, it's probably game over for that guy. Yeah, bro, like I cried in the bathroom, bro, like a little bitch. That's worth something, bro. Yeah. It's a tough journey, bro. But it gets better. Never give up. Never give up. It gets better. I used to have a 99.9% loss rate count. Yeah, Shep does always finish first. Yeah, bro, I used to have a 99.9% loss rate for like, quite a while. Like 3 months, maybe good 3 months, maybe 5. And then I think I earned my way to like a, it's kind of embarrassing, but to like an 80% loss rate. And then I started getting better. And then I thought I was better than I was, and then I wrecked myself, getting overconfident and stupid. Like, it's once you start getting good at the trading and the TA shit and stuff and indicators, it's like you start having to battle your mind, bro, yourself. Like, I had to start battling, like, because I thought I'm so good. I can't make a mistake. 97 wins in a row. I got 97 win streak, bro. That was I think it was my high score. Except for the one I'm doing now, it's probably gonna beat it. But 97 in a row. So I was like, dude, I fucking hacked the matrix. I'm gonna be a millionaire. I started asking GPT, if I make this much for this long and keep doing this by this, what will it be in this long? And I was like, what? A trillionaire in a year? And I was like, I'm the shit. I'm gonna be hood rich. I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be well off. And I was like so hyped, and I thought I had it figured out, bro. And then wrecked instantly. Well, not instantly. I think I took 3 big losses, but wrecked. And then it happened again. I was scared for a bit. You get scared, and then you have lack of confidence, and then you can't execute right. And then you slowly gain back your confidence. And there's tricks. There's ways you can trick yourself too. Like, there's ways I can trick my brain and my emotions to perform better. It's really complicated. Like, it's not complicated now that I went through it all. But if I showed up day one or whatever, like however many years in or something, and someone who like had a lot of time in was telling me this shit like this, I would be like, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, I just want to push a button and set a TP and a stop and go have lunch and come back and see money, extra money in my account. Like, how do I just do that? And it's like, eventually, yeah, but it's not as easy as just like a cut and copy. You know what I mean? There's so many variables. Like, there's what time frame are you going to be on? What leverage are you using? What size of your account are you using? How much sleep did you get? What kind of emotional person are you? What else? There's a lot. There's so much I can't even think about it live. And when you're live, when I'm live, bro, it's harder to think and say shit and comprehend stuff too. So if I come off the wrong way, it's because I'm like trying to do more than one thing. So I can't allocate enough focus on each of the things to properly interpret them. So if it sounds like I take shit the wrong way, or if I sound fucking fucked up, but I'm not really that fucked up, I just sound fucked up, it's because I'm thinking about other shit that I'm supposed to be focusing on, and it's just messing with my head. But yeah, no hard feelings, no hate at all. And hit me up for like, I'll teach you some shit for free, bro. I'll teach you like 75% of the best shit in the world for free. But I definitely would like coffee or a donut or a lunch or a 20 or a 50 for that last 25%. Because it's only fair, man. You know? It is only fair. But yeah, hit me up. And let me know what you're dealing with too, bro. Like, I don't even know what your issues are unless we talk about it, right? Like, cause like, I don't know what I learn lots just talking to you guys too. Oh, you sell HVAC and people love to steal your installation? What? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I used to have a construction business, bro. I used to have a construction business insulating houses. Yeah, people suck, man. That's the other thing. I don't want to give it all away for free, and then I see the same guy teaching it for $2,000 for a fucking mentorship, and I did it for free. Like, I at least want $50 and take your $2,000 million information and do whatever you want with it. But I would like something. Nedrek rocking in 2 peanuts deep, 2 nuts and donuts. He brought nuts and donuts, you guys. Dig in. Dig in. That sounds so bad. Do not come, Shep. I need to get that soundboard button. Do not come. Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
That was a dope ass song, bro.
How are you coming first? Why are you fucking coming first?
Shots fired, baby. Shots fired.
3 fucking guns in my truck tonight!
I gotta drop some freaking Shep pies, bro. He's fresh out the oven. I ain't even giving him no Shep pie love. Let's go. I love me a good shepherd's pie, especially fresh out the oven. Oh, too late. He did. He came. He came. Who else? Nedrek, what up, bro? Oh, sweet. Thanks, Callie. See, Callie gripped a 101. He loved it. I gave him like a fucking juicy packed alpha, bro. Like 8 strategies, eh? Nice. Shep's reloading, bro. Tickle the gooch. It helps. See? Juicy gems all over the place. Art of Crypto's got you, bro. Any gems you need. But yeah, bro. Come chill. Come talk. We'll hang. Especially on day off, hit me up. And Callie, bro, I'm glad you dug it, bro. I'm glad you dug it. And when you're practicing the shit we went over and stuff and testing it, you can DM me any questions and shit and stuff. And maybe I'll send you some examples too of the stuff we went over working out, so you can see. But I'm sure you'll notice anyways. But yeah, bro, this is free, bro. Where's that guy? Cam, you scallywag. This is free. Do this. Look at this. This is copy paste, easy peasy, freezy for cheesy. Look at this. Easy peasy, copy paste. Winning strategy, bro. Just do this. Just do this, bro. We tested it live today. That's all you need. This will get you started. And then you can dial it in and get more complicated and crazy and dynamic with your shit later. And take some of the profit and hit me up for a one-on-one for more juicy alpha. But that works, bro. New York orb. New York 15-minute orb, bro. That's all a guy needs. Literally. That's all a guy needs. See, look at it. Right here. I'll show you. Cam, I'll show you right now, bro. I'll show you right now. So this one, 1-to-1, fake out, whatever. Short, 1-to-1, not bad. Then choppy. Next day, orb formed, green and red line. Close above the orb, go long, stop loss below the low, printing. Next day, orb formed, break down below the orb, engulfing candle. That's a strong. I count that as a break and a retest because it's so freaking strong from the tippy top to the bottom that it's probably going to continue. So anyways, short the orb, close below the red line, short the orb, stop loss above the high, printing. Now look, next day. And I'm not cherry picking, I just scrolled over. And we scroll over more and I tested a bunch of them. So I've tested this enough times to know that it's a good suggestion for anyone new. Oh, for anyone new or experienced. It works. So anyways, orb formed, first 15-minute candle, New York open, low, high. Close above the 15, long it, stop loss below the low, printing. Bang, trail, stopped in profit, made money. Next day, orb, high, low. Slight fake to the low, wicks above the high, fake to the low. So maybe if you didn't check your indicators down here, see? So like this green, it's a RSI, it's under the 30 line. So if it's under the 30 line, I would think a short might not be the best idea, right? So then on the orb day, I look at the orb and I'm like, uh-oh. The orb's trying to tell me to go short right here. Right here. This candle closed right here below the red. But then I look at the oscillator and the oscillator is telling me to go long. Right? The RSI. Chart Prime RSI, it's free. Also free. Just like this juicy strategy I'm laying out for you. Anyways, but it's out there. The knowledge is out there. But I can just fast track the guy to it, right? But anyway, so this will get you started. So then I'd ignore that probably because of the RSI. And maybe check the half hour and the 5 just to make sure or something. But anyways, 15 is pretty good. So strong aggressive engulfing candle through the high of the orb. I count that as a break and retest, but it did break and it did retest. But either way, I would have went long on this engulfing candle. Stop loss below the lows of the wicks, or half, or just the low, the bottom red line. And printing, hard printing that day. That was a good day. Printing. Where's the next orb, bro? Oh, yeah, printing, stopped in profit, good day. Next day, orb. See, this one is a little bit of effery. I'd call it effery. This one faked high, faked low first. Yeah, if you just copy paste the strategy, it'd be a stop. But then we check the RSI too, though. See. I would have been sus about the short, but I would have took this short though. Or no, this was a long, but it was a short on the RSI. See, that's where how you can tell it's a fake out again. It says to go long, but the RSI is red as shit, and it usually turns around after that. It's above the 70 line, so that gives you a clue that it could be a fake out. Or it could be ranging and you could just play the range, short the top, long the bottom. That's long the, how's it go? Long the bottom, short the top. That's how we play the chop. Yeah, that's how it goes. So anyways, fake out, stop. So you take 1, 2, if you didn't look at anything else and you didn't know anything about trading and you were just going off 2 lines alone, it would be a stop. So that's 4 stops, 4%, but you already made that shit these other days. You already made it all. You made all your four stops plus a profit there, so it doesn't matter. It's just a part of trading. You're not gonna be right all the time. If it were 10% of the time, everyone would be a millionaire. You have to actually make an effort, test it, trade it, practice it. But not only that, so 4 stops, you're down 4%. But this one was real, and it was a fat move. So you short this, stop loss above the high. Printing, you earn back your stop losses, and you already got the wins from the days before, and now you're on a new day. And just keep doing that, bro. Just do the New York orb every day. Manage your trades, monitor your trades. We did a test sample just today of 3 weeks, I think, 2 or 3 weeks. We took 5 stops and then 27.5% R's, and I underestimated the R's. I counted this 8. This was a 1 to 8, and I counted as 4, bro. So I underestimated the R's and I overestimated the stop losses to get a realistic human error copy paste strategy projection. So it's 22.5% account growth in 2 or 3 weeks. And I've done this, I've tested it on further back, like months ago. I do it every now and then, like to show people. So, because I know it works, but I like to show people, right, that it works, so that they can maybe have some faith in it and just see how to test stuff, right, before you jump in. Like, make sure it works before you start doing it, see how it reacts and stuff. But anyways, so I've done it so many times, and every single time, bro, within a week or two, we get 20% account growth. Usually within 1 or 2 weeks, you get around 20% account growth, which is good. Which is good. That beats any hedge fund manager or prop firm or anything, you know what I mean? So, it's pretty good, bro. So yeah, bro, check that out. Just try that. That'll work for you. I'll give you a probability on that right now. If you're new to it, 60% hit rate. If you're experienced with it, 70 to 80% hit rate. That's the probability on the New York orb. I hope you try it, and I hope it works for you. And if you have any questions or want to trade it live with me for free, join the Discord. You're already in the Discord, but come chill in the Discord at New York Open, and we'll trade it together. I'll trade it with you. I don't mind teaching dope shit that works. I just don't want to give it all away, right? Because like the both way strategy thing, it's like personal to me. I made it up myself in my head and shit, and it's like kind of like my life's work, I guess. It's like I put everything into it. I just want $50, bro. But anyways, yeah, New York orb works good. That's my guess for today, and finish going over the markets. How much time we got? 13 minutes till THEOCGUY, you guys. Washburn, what the frick? Are you high? Blue chewing through. Let's go. Oh, you got Steve's attention. Mention a blue chew, Steve Hickey pops in the chat. Like, what? Are we partying? Are the markets coming back up, or are they all over still? Both. And neither at the same time. Let's check. Washburn, you scallywag. It's not all over, bro. It's just a blip on the radar. In a year or two, it'll be like it never happened. Let's check out the S&P for visual. Let's check out the S&P for a visual. So on a large time frame, if you're a long-term investor, this is what you're gonna deal with, which is fuck all. So pardon my French, but it's fuck all. A solid uptrend. I'll just use this. Even though Curtis Hill is mad at us for some reason, doesn't come around, I'll still use a channel. So you're looking at this. What direction is that? It's up. And what are these? Pullbacks. Market going down. Right? So I like to measure these with a stick. Let's get some sticks. Well, I'm kind of a caveman about this. Eh? I like to keep it simple. There's a stick. Let's measure another stick. Another pullback with a stick, sorry. There's another stick. Put that there. And I already got this stick, I think, on there. But let's do it again just in case. There. Ooh, that's a good stick. Anyways. Okay, so then let's zoom out even more. Let's see how much data we got on this chart. Let's go to the monthly, just so we can see, like, from a macro point of view, what happens. So yeah, this is what you're in for if you're a long-term investor and you're worried about your spot holdings or your long-term holdings going down. They can go down, you just buy more. They can go down, you just buy more. And unless the world ends and every company literally dies at the same time, it should go up. It should go up. So you're pretty safe, bro. You just gotta wait and just ignore it. Just ignore it and just buy more. I would buy more every payday of whatever strong asset. Like, I don't know, like fucking Tesla. Not financial advice, educational and entertainment purposes only, of course. Tesla, Nvidia, Palin, whatever tier and stuff. S&P 500 and what else? DPM, like deep precious metals or whatever, mining companies for the metals. Maybe some Lockheed Martin, like some war companies. Maybe some, you know, different companies that thrive in different market conditions. So then your portfolio is well balanced, and some Bitcoin, of course, some Bitcoin, you guys. And then your portfolio is well balanced, and like this might go down, but then this goes up, and they take turns. So they'll take turns like this, woo, like Tai Chi master style, but they'll always kind of float up unless the world ends. Then they all go to zero. But if the world ends, we got to go hunt and find food and shelter anyways, and money probably wouldn't be much use. So at that point, the assets don't really matter. So just stack assets. It's gonna outpace your savings account. Not financial advice, educational and entertainment purposes only. But over a 4 to 8 year period, if you're saving money for long term, assets will beat your savings account any day. And the bank, coincidentally, is taking our savings accounts and investing them themselves and getting the full return and only giving us 1 to 3%, while they make more. So why not just do it yourself? Be your own bank. But yeah, so the market's probably going down more, bro, but just buy more and it'll go up later, and thank me later. And not financial advice, educational and entertainment purposes always, but that's my guess. A lot of lickies. Bro messed up. He lost 17.97 million. He could have gave me $50 and I could have taught him how to not lose that 17 mil. What a loser. Just kidding, he's not a loser. He's just rich and risky. Rich and risky. Let's check out the liquidation heat map. I hope that makes sense, Washburn. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't even, I look a little bit, I guess, before I buy something, just because I know, like, because I'm a trader, so I have a good idea. But yeah, bro, yep, that's what I would do. That's what I am doing. Mark Dutch, yeah, right. Is Mark Dutch here? Do I have him blocked? I could see me blocking Mark Dutch. Oh no, he's here. I see you, Marky Mark. Dude, I only have top chat on. Why does it keep resetting? I probably missed so many comments. Steven Hickey, did you just have a blue chew? Am I frozen? Okay, good. Whew. Mark Dutch, the Dirty Dutchman. Washburn, have you met the Dirty Dutchman? He's a national treasure in the Netherlands. And rumor has it he has a mighty third leg. Yeah, you're welcome, brother. If you want, next time I come chill, I can show you some basic ass shit to help get better buys. But yeah, you're good to go, bro. If you got 4 years, you're probably good to go. It would be a dark, rare day that, and if it took longer than 4 years, you just have to wait another 4 probably, and it'd probably be all good. Worst case scenario. Dutch knows. Ask Dutch. Dutch, tell him. No, he's not Ginger. Death to Gingers. Death to Gingers. He's not Ginger. And don't spread your Ginger freaking gang freaking take over the world nonsense here. Dutch, are you Ginger? He better not be. I'd like him more if he wasn't. I don't know what I'd do if I had a best friend or a friend that was a ginger. I'd probably string up or tease him all the time about it. Shout out to Washburn. Beautiful, luscious ginger head of hair. Bro, I'm already your friend, man. I can't. How much more joining can I get? I'm not dyeing my hair red, bro. We already went over this. Gingerbread is gross. Dutch gets it. I like gingerbread. Gingers though, ew. I don't hate gingers. I just am not a fan of Satan, if that makes sense. It's not that I hate gingers. I'm just not a fan of Satan. Harpski. I can yell. Harpski! Rolling in 12 jellies deep. Harpski! We're heading over to TI Joe soon. More liquidity above us, less below us. Cleared out the liquidity below us. Juicy, greasy dump. Short printed hard. And looking for some upside. But doesn't mean I'll get it. Liquidity everywhere always. Data. We only got 6 minutes, huh? Whatever, let's check it out. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what's dropping. Pippin is trying to make a comeback. Pippin ain't easy, you guys. Dude, this power. Is it profit now? I want to check my DGen plays. Everyone grab a donut. Harp brought enough for everyone. Num 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 num. Thank you, Harp. There's a ginger emoji? Dutch, delete that ginger emoji immediately. I like the car hitting the ginger part, but I hate looking at a ginger. I'm just kidding. They're okay. Well, my Washburn's okay for sure. Well, it's debatable. He has his moments. But I think there's some gingers that are probably okay-ish sometimes. I don't know. It's hard to believe, but... Maybe I'm just indoctrinated from Washburn, brainwashing me every time we hang out. Ginger this, ginger that. Aliens, Anunnaki, chosen breed, rulers of the world, bow before the ginger. You know, all that satanic talk gingers always talk about. But, I don't know. He's been through a lot, so I'm nice to him. Just kidding, I'm just joking. Oh, what is that, Dutch? Is that just... Did you skin a ginger? Did you scalp a ginger? Looks like you scalped a ginger in the chat on Streamlabs, but it looks different on the phone. Yeah, he's so red if you wash him, he burns. Exactly. Dutch gets it. Witches, satanic people, gremlins, gingers. They don't like water. You put water on them. Yeah, melting. Ah, it burns. Jesse, are you a ginger? I bet Jesse's a ginger. That would make sense. You devious little munchkin. Nice. Charts and reds, baby. What? What? I don't know what that means, but hopefully it's ginger related. Anyways, power is a piece of garbage. Let's check out Pippin. Pippin ain't easy. Dude, should we hit this piece of garbage yet? I think we should. Or is it just dead? Dude, this is dark, bro. This is so dark. Pippin ain't easy. Look at this thing. 888 is losing the 888, bro. There's not enough data to even fib this out. That's how you know it's a poop coin, eh? Dang, what does a guy do with this? What does a guy do with this? Wait, that's what a guy does. Wait for a higher low. Wait for a higher low and then hit it. So it's too soon. It's too soon. See, I'm getting more responsible too. Cam, you should have been here when I first started going live, bro. I've grown a lot right in front of you guys' eyes. Is that Big Wick Energy? What kind of band? Like a rap band, or like a punk rock band, or like a classic rock band, or like a heavy metal band? I like all music, bro. I like my music like I like my confluences. 8 to 16 at a time, baby. 8 to 16 at a time. Juice WRLD's my favorite rapper. Right now. Snoop and Dre were when I was a kid. Juice WRLD right now. No Effects, I like punk rock. No Effects is dope. No Effects is probably one of the best, or the best, punk band to ever do it. Epic solos, epic singing, epic bass riffs and solos, epic drummer, epic guitarist, epic. No Effects, baby, No Effects. Here, I'll show you. Check it out. This shit's dope, you guys. Have you ever heard of No Effects? Fat Mike and El Jefe. No Effects, American punk rock band. You guys ever seen these buggers? It's pretty weird. They've been around for a minute. Legends, bro, legends. I saw these guys live a couple years ago, actually. Legends. Legends. Punk and Drublick. What else do I like? I forget. I like a lot of shit, bro. I've lived like 1,000 lives. That's probably why I'm so fucking silly. Anyways, thanks for showing up and showing out. Appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to Big Wick Energy. Wick's wife, Fine 89's husband. A very lucky lady. Very lucky man. I'm going to drop some Big Wick Energy emojis in the chat for Mr. Wick. Stephen Hickey, I think you summoned Mr. Wick when you dropped the eggplants. He could sense it. Shout out to you. Thanks for showing up and showing up for the Ninja Gang. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let's print some freaking paper. Happy printing. Peace. And see y'all at T.I. Joe's. I'll drop the link in a sec.
Let me argue with the wax off. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour face. We don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride. This some more to make do. We can do it live. I ain't need to take two. No,
I ain't done. I ain't done. I ain't done.
Just wait till they find them exceptional. To put me way up on the pedestals. With blogs and babes on my testicles. I'll grip the mic at all the festivals. And my spectacles is outrageous, though. Send me a beats that updated. Yo, I'm out of here in like a year. My phrase is just contagious, bro. Daydreaming at my day job. Writing bars at work getting paid off. Spit to the kid with a say dog. It's ball to the wall, no playoffs. I run around the world as a rotate. I've been doing me, that's the floor state. Everybody tryna eat, they got no taste. And they wanna slap hands, but they so fake. Any day now, having different conversations at the bank now. I be flipping the apartment for the lake house. So far from where we started, went away out. And the paper's gonna make it any day now. 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 ain't got no riders, I'll do it all on my own. And I ain't fucking with liars, don't hit me up on my phone. If I ain't got no riders, I'll do it all on my own. So no more spinning tires, don't let me into my... It's blatant. Y'all been testing my patience, y'all faking, time wasting. Running back and learn the basics. I'm back at the post office with a box of merch for my people, with that frequent flyer discount, moving shirts like it's illegal. Got me feeling like a G again, with the Vans on my feet again. Yo, leave the crib, I ain't tried. Lose the key, so I'm locked inside. Big screen, ultra wide, get a pool with that water slide. Any day now, having different conversations at the bank now. I be flipping the apartment for the lake house. So far from where we started, went away out. And the paper's gonna make it any day now. Any day, any day now. Any day, any day, any day now. Any day, any day now. Any day. I'm at my desk and I'm scribbling. I got the discipline that I didn't then. I write the songs on the management. Try names something I ain't handling. Yeah, I book my shows, sell it out. Photo shoots, style myself. Storyboard, I draw it out. With the booth in my house, I'm wilding out. I got that cover art back, I said I approve. But you best get back to working on my flyer, dude. You ain't met a flyer, dude. Yeah, I'm soaring. Don't you dare at me unless it is important. Any day now, having different conversations at the bank now. I be flipping the apartment for the lake house. So far from where we started, went